Here's a $300 project boat in shambles.
Eric.
Eric.
Oh, fuck. Look at that. I started grinding it. The nail came out.
It's sheared off.
That's what's left of our screw. Nail thing, whatever that is.
Wow. I think it's a tiny nail.
I think it is too.
Gotta sweep it.
Oh, good.
Look at how long they are.
Oh, right on your bedside.
Bro, come on. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just throw some 2x4s on the side of it, you'll be good. Was that intentional? So was that intentional?
Nope.
She's almost done though, right? Just this upper portion?
Yeah.
Cut a hole in the boat down there, way. Somewhere down there. Right.
It's draining water out of I don't know where. It's draining water out of the front somewhere.
Nice. How does that happen?
Can't tell you.
We better put, if this doesn't go to the, this has to go to the freaking whatchamacallit.
That's draining out of, being honest.
Do you want to give a relief cut and just see if a lot more comes out? Holy shiz. You better cut another one on the other side just in case. What is that? Maybe it's
Gas.
I think that might be just like an enclosed space in there.
That's our old fuel tank, actually.
You think so?
Oh, so
Looks like gas.
it's like piss.
Hurry and just chop that little piece and then we can go put it back over and tilt it on its back so it's drained out the back plug.
It's like coffee, honestly.
It does.
I kind of like it.
Forbidden coffee.
Yeah. Power cord in. Nice.
The other side's dripping too now. Hit the other side.
Equal it out?
Yeah, the other side. Where is that coming from?
Well, nothing though, dude. We got a straight pond with our boat. I guess they didn't tell us. I don't know.
I don't think they even knew.
It was included. Perk. Wanna go swimming?
Did you just rail yourself with the blade?
No, parts keep flying off of the sucker and they.
Why don't you get a new one?
I don't care that much.
You want these? Hey, take these. I'm not using them.
Okay, Colin. No. If we're filming, you're not riding the Pilco.
It doesn't matter. They can't really hear what you're doing anyway.
I know you're obsessed with that, homie.
Just let them ride it. Hey.
You can ride it, Cole.
Colin, you're good. Mother effer, I just shoved this screw into my arm. Put that in the trash.
We gotta go get effing tetanus shot now.
I already got a tetanus shot like last year. I got a staple through my finger.
Still coming out the one side. Ew, it's bubbling.
It's piss.
It might be piss.
Is there an extra bladder on this bad boy?
Yeah, do we have a bladder tank we didn't even know about?
I don't know, finish that up real quick. And then we'll go over and put it back where it goes and just tilt it on its back. Actually, probably ought to gut it out, all this crap. You know what we ought to do? Go before we put all the boards back down on it, take it down, make sure that nothing leaks in from, like, just go put it in the pond or just lower it back into the water.
Clean it out. And
Well, clean it out.
that one spot before we take it back.
There's two spots. You cut through both sides. So that's what I'm saying, though. Like, before you put the boards down, make sure it floats like it's supposed to.
That's honestly not a bad idea.
Someone got no effing root beer. Alright, little update. It's all been cut out. We're just, we're gonna pretty much sandwich this with 2x4s. It's not the right way to do it, but that's what we're gonna do. And then we're just gonna do one on the outside of these ones instead of doing like new stringers. Or that way we can just lay the wood down on top of it. It wouldn't be that big of a deal. So it's just finishing vacuuming everything. I'll update you when something fun happens. Alright, overview. We've got this 75 horsepower Evinrude spray painted bottom. Fish finder. I've got some footage I've already added to of us gutting this thing. I'll just add in. We've been contemplating putting some 2x4s so you can see that little bee. There's a little bee right there crawling on our wood. So we're throwing this 2x4 in here, sandwiching the truss. It's kind of hard to tell from contrast. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. We're going to sandwich this one with 2x4s and then put 1 and 1 on these two. So that way we can reinstall the floor and it'll be solid. Then we're going to end up doing that crappy Amazon EVA stuff. The boat, we put a new floor in it, partially. We'll see you next time. Yeah.